Today on Brian's Budget Garage, we're going to talk about removing and replacing a Crown Victoria 2000 PCM module. This is different than the later module. Later modules were easier to get to. The 2000 model is actually under the dash. So we're going to talk about how to remove that and how not to remove that. I found out both ways. Here's the PCM itself. Connector end. And it has a connector, but nothing's plugged into here. I believe this PCM module went from middle 90s to 2002, I believe. That's what happened. Now, what this thing rides in is this carriage. This carriage, you don't have to take out. I didn't know that. I do now. This carriage fits under the dash. I'll show you where it fits, but it sits under there against the firewall. I'll show you how it connects into, or the PCM connects into this. So how does this cradle go back in once you've removed it? Or how do you remove it? If you look up here, there's two little holes. And it, let me see if so now let's put this guy in. Now you gotta get around all this crud. Wires and things. So it was so hard to get out. Start going straight. There it goes. There you go. Now go tighten that bolts. So down here next to the brake booster is where that stuff is. All these cables and wires I've removed. I removed the cruise control out of the way. It's the only way to really get. Let's catch a nut on the first stud. Let's see if we can. It's not spinning. Why is it not spinning there? There you go. And the other one's down there. Helps to put a little bit of WD-40 on it so it spins in easy. These things are not painted and it's pretty rusty. After 20 years almost. I won't be able to film this one, but I'll put that on that stud there. Now you put the PCM in. Can't really show it to you, I'll be right in the way, so I'll show it to you from the front. You gotta be a little careful because there's that bolt in there. You don't want to bend things. It'll line it up crushed before you put it in. There you go. And then push it in. And then this bolt keeps it connected. So hopefully this helps you find and remove your PCM module if you need to in a 2000 Crown Vic. Thanks for watching.